Today's video we're going to be reviewing my first ever camera, the Sony ZV-E10. I am super excited. We're basically going to go into if it's worth it, the good, the bad, the feel of it. We're going to be comparing it to my iPhone 14, which I've been filming with for a while. We're going to be testing the audio, the settings I currently use on it for vlogs. Without saying too much, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stephanie Nadia. If this is your first time coming across my channel, as I mentioned earlier, this is my first ever camera. This camera is made purposely for vlogging. It comes with a lens, a kid's lens, but the lens is interchangeable, so you can use other lenses on it. First things first, the camera is not the lightest of cameras, but it's not heavy as well, and it has this grip thing here that makes it very easy to hold, so that's good. The fact that the lens is interchangeable means if you ever have money to upgrade your camera, you don't have to buy a whole new camera. You can just buy another lens to use on it to get a better footage or something than the one you currently have. It does have a flip out screen. It turns either ways. You can turn into it, or you can turn it this way and then like close it back into it if you don't want the screen exposed. It is not touch screen. I thought it was, but it's not touch screen. So this bit of the camera came with the sound thing. It's called a dead cat, I think. Yes. So it comes with this fuzzy thing that's to muffle out the sound of wind when you're talking. So I only use this when I'm out vlogging. I don't use it when I'm in my room because there's no sound of wind in my room. Currently for vlogging, I only have two things because, as I mentioned, the audio on it is very good. So I'm going to show you what I use as my vlog setup. I only use this light. I think this light was for about £5 on Shein. Is very good. You use batteries with it, so you can't control exactly if it's warm or like blue. It's manageable because of course the camera is in the intelligent auto mode, which means it adjusts to your environment to pick like which camera settings works best for your environment. The next thing I have with it is this tripod from Ulanzi. I bought this to use with my phone, but obviously I took off the phone holder and it's quite good, I must say. So I'm going to just screw this on here, and then it goes at the top here. No, it's gonna face this way, so it's gonna go at the top here. So this is what my current vlog setup looks like. Just my camera, my light, my camera, my light, and then the Ulanzi tripod. The Ulanzi tripod goes all the way here, so that's good. It's not too bad. It's not the longest, but then for a vlog I have another tripod that I can use. That one is too bulky because it goes all the way like to my height, but this is all I need for like when I'm just walking around, stuff like that. So this is what my current setup looks like, a beginner setup. We might upgrade it as we go because I think the lens is quite tight, so I've looked into other lenses and they're not as bad. Put them on the screen if you're interested in them if you have a Sony ZV-E10. So the next thing I'm going to show you is what my edit setting is like currently. I didn't do much to it. I watched so many videos that were showing me everything to do. I did tweak some things, and then I realized I liked the footage of the camera when it came straight out of the box, so I resetted the settings of the camera. The only thing I changed was this thing you have where you can put it in active or standard. That had to do with steady shots, so you'd have like a more stabilized shots because you'll be vlogging and holding it around. So when it's on active, your face is more cropped, but when it's on standard, it goes back a bit, and I don't mind it because in CapCut I'm able to stabilize my footages to not be as shaky for vlogs, etc. So I don't need my camera doing that. I just need a camera to give me as much room as possible. Your footage just looks better. So I'm going to show you what the footage looks like without the light and with the light, so you see the importance of lighting with this camera. It does adjust to your lighting situation wherever you are, but I think when you have an external light or something little like this to give you extra illumination is very good. I want to say that the audio on this is really good. Right now I'm just using my iPhone because obviously I'm holding this and there's no external microphone, so I'll compare this microphone to this microphone so you guys can like tell the difference. Okay, so this is what you're seeing me on, and this is the camera. So I'm currently filming on the Sony ZV-E10 and I'm looking directly at the lens. This is what the lighting situation looks like. Not so bad because I have this huge light on me. So I'm to turn off this light. This is what the iPhone looks like without the external light, and this is what the Sony ZV-10 looks like. It kind of adjusts to give you so much more lighting when you don't have much lighting, but this is it with the external light as well. So you see when you turn it on very early on, it's blue, but then after a while it adjusts. I'll obviously show you guys an outdoor footage plus an outdoor footage of my iPhone 14 so you can compare the two of them. I'm going to compare the footage of the Sony ZV-E10 outside with good lighting compared to my iPhone 14 so we see if it's actually worth the upgrade. This is the footage outside. It's getting dark right now, but this is the footage of the camera outside. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video gave you as much information about the Sony ZV-E10 as I could. If you think there's more you want to know about, I might do a 1-month update, like using it, and then let you guys know. So let me know any questions you have in the description box and I'll do it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys in next week's video.